Ready.
Yeah, load station, the man them know.
Yeah.
Jordan.
Dreamcast and GameCube.
Why?
Let me just say.
Jordan.
Alright, my place, double tune.
One burner. And my son say my girl is. I'm my son apart. So right now me and him in a malice.
At the same time, me have to keep him in line. Because see them. I have to make sure that
See them.
can't make him follow.
Right me on a film thing.
Notice how my girl splits bigger than her lipstick.
Yeah, that's another. Remember Vybz Kartel and a my sauce. But I represent for Jason Turks official. And before you travel to Turks and Caicos, make sure you link up Jason. Then when we get free on the ring, the one that I'm saying is free me. What is the name nose? I can see nose. Ice. La money.
Get up rough.
Me can broke up, me can see, don't panic, me can panic. Here some style, big woman can't get. So don't tell me as no little pitney. My friend them tell me you're too old for me, but I
That tape?
Yeah.
Remember guys on the rape? I'm there with Lanny. I went some girl a plan B, she a plan A. I went some girl living at the basement, she live at 1A.
We're there. Track listing for Freedom Street with TJ, ZJ Chrome. So on the night, you know as ZJ Chrome, I go spin the record. Yeah, lad. Rhythm. Freedom Street. December the what? 31st. Oh, still our time. Reason they that but out a road they eat worse. The internet a cost me about who me fi feature. See them? Yeah. Come hold me t-shirt. Remember say ya one burner meter. Yeah, no malice, no animosity, because we're mature and we have grown. Even when there's some girl that tell me say, me fi die my baby, I say no, I don't want it die, I want it live. You know what I mean? Because it show growth and it show maturity and it show resilience, it show strength and it show wisdom. You know what I mean? So I'm good at it and there's no bitterness or malice. We're just grateful and we have to represent for God because without God, nothing is possible.
Unstoppable.
That is it. Now Vybz Kartel, yo, that run me a shot. What the people see me I beat the fever, but now I the unstoppable. I mean I tell you, say, you see this, it's untrackable. Right now the unstoppable run are the baddest thing and the maddest thing, and if you now beat the unstoppable run from Vybz Kartel, your life are the saddest thing. No Joe not in the thing when we are born with, no coat not in the thing. One Louis, big up yourself. You see me, the whole team there. That is it. Yeah. Unstoppable. See it there?
Gangster style.
That is it.